In today's video, I am going to teach you how to prevent spam form submissions in HubSpot. Spam submissions can clutter your contacts, trigger unwanted automations, and make your reporting less accurate. The good news is that HubSpot gives you a couple of built-in options that help reduce this problem, and you can turn them on directly from your form settings. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and going to the main navigation. From there, open Marketing, then select Forms. This takes you to the Forms dashboard where you can see all the forms in your portal. Take a moment to find the specific form you want to protect. Then click on the form name to open it. Once you are inside the form editor, look for the Options tab. This is where HubSpot groups several important settings that affect how the form behaves after it is embedded on your website or used on a landing page. Click Options to open those controls. First, enable reCAPTCHA. Find the reCAPTCHA setting and toggle it to On. This adds an extra verification step that helps HubSpot filter out automated bots. In many cases, simply turning on reCAPTCHA will cut down spam dramatically, especially if you are seeing repeated, obviously automated entries. Keep in mind that reCAPTCHA is designed to be low friction for real visitors, so most legitimate users can still submit your form without trouble. Next, enable the setting to block specific domains. Locate block specific domains and toggle it to On. This feature is useful when spam submissions consistently come from the same email domains. With this setting enabled, you can prevent those domains from submitting the form, which helps stop repeat offenders from getting into your CRM. When you are deciding which domains to block, focus on domains that are clearly associated with spam and have no business value for your audience. After you have turned on reCAPTCHA and enabled domain blocking, finalize your changes. Click Update or Publish, depending on what your form shows. This saves your settings and applies them to the live version of the form so the protections take effect. Once published, monitor your submissions over the next few days so you can confirm spam has decreased and adjust your blocked domains if needed. And that is all there is to it.